Hmm. Welcome to Whispers. Government of Cow by Government of Cows by cows and for cows. Hmm. Cow and blood democracy. Come along with me. All highs but sky-high expectations are locked with the president to review his card statement during his first inauguration. I belong to nobody. I belong to everybody. And I belong to nobody. Two, I am not for all Nigerians, but for my tribe only. Hmm. Nigeria presently is under siege in a warlike situation, and inherent danger worsens by the day. There seems to be no end in sight to the horror and carnage unleashed by bandits, from the agonizing tales of survivors to viral videos getting clicks up and down. The reputation of the country has been beaten to the ground as one of the most insecure nations in the world to live in. Indeed, the crime rate in the country has shot up astronomically in recent times, with only a few of the figures being recorded. With war drums beating across the length and breadth of the country, tensions are already flaming up, prompting people to leave in droves, including investors, to more secure African nations. Nigeria, being the giant of Africa, is just mere semantics. Two words describe Nigeria's democracy at the moment: cow and blood. Nigeria has written a brand new chapter into the convoluted book of democracy. She has made history as the only country in the world where cow democracy is operational. Killings, banditry, kidnapping, terrorism, among others, are the major news daily decorating the front pages of national dailies. Some of these bandits, with a display of untouchable charisma in their noble trade, appear to be like the proverbial cats with 9 lives, as they walk free several poles apart from the long arm of the law sighting back from above. The inability of the security agencies to neutralize the nefarious activities has emboldened them, as they have extended their wickedness from the major highways to the communities, villages, and homes across the country, killing, maiming, kidnapping for ransom, among other criminalities. The spike in the blood of Nigerians slaughtered in recent times on a daily basis has reached alarming proportions. All men and women of good conscience should condemn these ugly daily episodes of anguish, pain, and tears for families, because cows are given more priority than human lives. The blood of these innocent Nigerians cry for vengeance. These haggard, illiterate, and poor communicators of English language bandits terrorizing the country are not operating alone, as their coordinated activities, advanced weaponry, speaks volumes of the heavy war chest sponsors benefiting from the evils. The situation of the ground calls for self-defense, at all times, except I am overriding the situation. It is a sin for some political and religious ideological challenged endeavors to declare war on the nation for some ulterior motives. Their real intentions, when unmasked, are more authoritarian than the rosy smells Nigerians are being treated to. It is insulting for any group or tribe to arrogate ownership of Nigeria to itself. Such comedy should be justified at this perilous time in the nation's life. Unless something urgent is done now, 2023 is going to be a crossover year, even more than the walls of expectations raised against the presidential election in 2015. The ongoing fortification for that of 2023 is likely to match, if not already surpass, the biblical walls of Jericho. But these walls fall for the blast of trumpets. It is time to get your trumpet against these unseen walls being erected ahead of 2023 against the Nigerian masters. Nigeria belongs to Nigerians, irrespective of tribe, religion, or political affiliation. Security is everyone's business. But justice, equity, and fairness must be entrenched. Criminality should be treated as one irrespective of its tribe or religion. Democracy, as promulgated by Lincoln, should be practiced in words and action. To delete this retrogressive and gradually precipitating blood-sucking government of the cows, by the cows, and for the cows. It is a cow-blood democracy, yeah. It is a cow-blood democracy. And running on the blood of banditry, terrorism, and what have you? Kidnapping, raping, the list is endless. It's the height of man's inhuman to fellow human being. I mean, man's the animal in man being brought to life. So yeah, I just stop that here until I come your way again.